Good afternoon, dear students. It's me, Sarmila Khatri, in front of you to represent you mathematics for grade 2. And it's from the unit 1 geometry, and topic is geometry. Okay, so dear students, you are in grade 2, right? So, do you know what do you mean by geometry? Can you define geometry? Yes, of course. Somehow you can say what do you mean by geometry, right? So, let's see here. Let's overview the geometry. Meaning of geometry. What is the meaning of geometry? See here. I have written some points. You can copy in your note. Fine. Okay. So, see here. Geometry means it's a branch of mathematics. What is? It's a branch of mathematics that studies about the size, shapes and position of things. What things they have to discuss? Size, shapes and position of the things. Do you understand? Okay, good. So now next. Okay, do you know we have drawn and colored the picture from grade nursery, right? You used to color in different type of pictures. Your teacher have taught you already in grade nursery, LKG to makes you to draw in the color. You have shaded so many pictures, right? So now we are going to learn about that time one pictures. Okay, good. Shall I start? Okay, do you know in geometry there are flat shapes and it's solid shapes. Do you know what do you mean by flat shapes? Of course you know it, right? Flat shapes mean I used to color. You also used to color on it. Do you know what is that? In triangle, you used to color. Which color you used to do before this? Okay, but I like yellow color. Do you know? But here, see, I have drawn some pictures for you. Okay, you can make at your home by yourself. Yes? Okay, you can cut it. You can paste it. Okay, you can make a rectangle like this way. Square, triangle, circle. This rectangle, square, triangle and circle. It's called a flat shapes. What we call for it? We call it flat shapes. You can see this example all around you. Have you noticed? Can you see this chart paper? Yes, this is in which shape? Obviously, it is in rectangle shape. Wow. Have you got the gift in packet form? In box form? Yeah. Do you notice that gift box is what? What is the shape of that gift box? Really? It's a square in shape. Good. Now next, triangle. Have you seen the Christmas tree? Yes. And what is the shape of the Christmas tree? It's a straight triangle. Have you noticed it? Good. That means that Christmas tree also is a triangular shape, right? Yes. Now next thing, there is the circle. How many things you can see around us, around you, that in circle in shape? Okay, I have something for you. I have bangle in my hand. Do you have your bangle over there? Yes, please check it. Take it in your hands. I have bangle in my hands. So see the shape of the bangle. Is it round? Yes. Okay, it's a round in shape, right? Wow, good. Everybody good. It's a round in shape. So we call it a circle. Good job. Now next, same like this, we are going to learn a solid shapes. Do you know the solid shape? Of course, there are some carton boxes in the shop. Have you seen that carton boxes? That box. Some are big in size, some are small in size, right? Okay, if the box come like a square in shape, you know, right? Just now you have noticed that it's square in shape, just like this one shape. It's called a cube. Square in shape, we call it a cube. Okay, rectangular, long in shape, bigger length and shorter breadth, we call it a cuboid. This one. Okay, and you used to wear a birthday hat, right? Just like this one. Yes? Okay, it's called what? It's called cone. And you used to play a bat ball, that, or volleyball, football. Have you noticed what is the shape of the football? And what is the shape of basketball? Okay, they are called sphere. Good job, students. Now we are going to learn a bit more. Okay, to make these all shapes, starting we need some geometrical ideas. Okay, let's touch up. If you forgot also, let's think about it. Shall we see? Okay, what is that? First one is dot. For example, I will put here a dot. This is single dot. This is a point. It is represented by a dot mark and writing with a capital letter A. I am writing here. You can write B, C, whatever you like. Okay, it's called a geometrical shapes. Also, it's called a dot. Okay, then after some line, we used to make a line in our school, right? So that line, we are talking about line. If the line starts from one point and it's at another point, we call it line segment. If the line goes and never ends, then we call it as a straight line, and it doesn't have any ending point. Done. Now next is another line is there starting from one point and move in another point without making a straight line. Then that type of line we call it as a curved line. Fine, good job. Now next, after that, a ray is there. A sunlight comes from the sun from one single point and gives us light in different points, right? In spread from here, from here, from here. That's mean these are known as the rays, coming from one point and spreading all over the world. It's called a rays. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So, okay, students, let's call it back. We have learned meaning of the geometry. Done. Then after we have seen from the chart, okay, only from the chart we have seen rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Done. Okay, then after we are doing solid shapes. In solid shapes, what we have done? Cube, cone, sphere, cuboid, right? Good job. Then after we move to the geometrical shapes. Is it? These geometrical shapes, see here, first one is the point. We call it as a dot. Do you understand? We call it as a dot. If we add dot 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 dot, and if I draw a line with that dot, then what it becomes? it's become a round in shape, right? Yes. So same like there. We have done line segment, straight line. There are two types of line segment. What are they? They are straight line and a curved line. Then after what we have learned? Okay, we have learned rays. Rays mean coming from the sun and spreading all over the world. It's called rays. Now we are going to the next topic, that is, okay, before starting the next topic, I want to show you how to make that picture. I hope you can make it by using your scale, right? For flat shapes, there is no problem for you to make a shapes, right? We can use the scale and we can make it. Otherwise, we can use a solid shapes. Solid figures or like this object, we can make it and we can draw a picture. See here how I will draw the picture on the same way. You need to draw it. Okay, let's trace it out the picture. Okay, see here students, what is the shape of this duster? What is the shape of this duster? Yes, it's a rectangular in shape. So shall I draw the rectangle? Please take one rectangle object with you. Yes, if you are using your mobile, see the mobile. Okay, can you see? Which shape is it? It's a rectangular in shape. Which shape? It's a rectangle, right? So take that mobile. Put your mobile in front of you in your notebook and please draw the rectangle of your mobile. Okay, draw the shape of your mobile. I will draw here. I use duster for drawing a rectangle. Be ready? Okay, everybody, I have drawn here. This is the rectangle. Okay, see here, I have drawn the shapes of rectangle. And please write down mention the name of the picture. Okay, it's a rectangular in shape. Please don't write mobile. Okay, we cannot see the mobile in the after drawing the lines. Please write here rectangle in shape. Done. Okay, now it's time for a square. I have some object in my hand. Okay, now I have a bit big square. I have a bit big square, or either you can make, if you want to make a rectangle, you can make it from your paper also. Okay, so you can sketch it out with your paper. See, it will be bigger. This will be bigger one rectangle. So you can trace it out from your own notebook and on your paper also, because book, notebook and the papers, they all are in rectangular in shapes. Okay, so you can do from there also, but it seems very big in size, right? Okay, so now next is the board which we are using is here is also a rectangle in shape. Okay, now it's time to draw a square, and this one is the square. See here, this is the square I am using over here. Can you see it? Okay, I am doing. Okay, please do it by yourself. Okay, I am using these sides. Okay, I am using these sides. This is called square. What we call for it? It's called square. Please write down the name over here. It's a square. Can we write it? Yes? Okay, we can write it as a. Okay, now see. After this, we can draw a rectangle. You can take any other solid object over there, whatever you have at your home. You can take it and you can start to draw square. Okay, so I have cube 1 boxes in my hand. So with the help of this cube, I'm drawing a square over here. So see here how I will draw over here. You can trace it out same like my one. Okay, so here I'm drawing the line. See, okay, now have you completed? Good job. So now you have to mention the name. Okay, so I'm writing the name of it. And what's the name of this figure? Yes, it's a square. Please write here square. Okay, have you written the square? Very good. Now what turn will come after square? What is there? It's a triangle. So 3 angles, we call it triangles. It's a triangle. See here, I'm going to draw a triangle. Before drawing a triangle, I'm going to plot a 3 dot points. We have already learned dotted line, right? So I have put a 3 dot point over here. Have you noticed? Do the same thing in your notebook. I'm waiting. Okay, good. Okay, now give the name with, I have already informed you that after writing a dot point there must be a capital letter, is it? Okay, you can give the name with the capital letter. And so first one is, let's put a capital letter A, second is the B, and third one is the C. Now with the help of your skill, please, you can use your skill. I have rectangle in my hand. With the help of rectangle, I'm drawing the line of a straight line over here. You can use your skill. Okay, so please join the dot point A and B. Have you done? Good job. Now second, join, either you can join AC or CB or BC. Okay, I'm doing BC. You want to do BC? Okay, I will also do the same thing. Okay, you want to do BC. Okay, fine, it's fine. Good. Now which one is left? AC. Okay, let's join the AC also. Okay, what is this? Is this a square? Rectangle? No. What is this then? This is the triangle. Okay, good job. It's a triangle. Please write down here triangle. Okay, now what is left? Circle. What is there in my hand? Motto is waiting to you. Come and join with the motto. Do you want to join? Yes. Come, let's join with it. Okay, what we need to do with this motto? Okay, no, I'm not saying motto. Okay, I'm showing you the circle line over here. Have you seen this circle? Yes, now we are tracing this circle. Take it, whatever you have. You can take, if you have circle things, if you don't have this type of materials, then you can use your water bottle one lid. Is it in circle in shape? Yes, it's in circle in shape. Okay, next thing, you can take your mother help also. Ask with your mother one bangle. She will provide you, obviously, right? Obviously, she will provide you your bangle. See, take the bangle. Now, with the help of the bangle, you can draw a circle. So, put a circle over here, bangle like this way, and trace out the circle. Can I? Okay, I have done a circle. I have already made a circle. Okay. So, same like here. Can you make a circle over there? Wow, good job. Please write down the name also. Okay. Okay, it's a circle. Good. Now, after this, obviously you can do different things over here, right? you can take help of different materials. Now in flat shape we have already done. Now it's remaining what? Solid shapes. In solid shapes we are not going to draw the solid shapes right now, okay? We are going to show you or demo you only the solid shape. In my hand there is the solid shape of, have you seen this big box which I have made for you? Okay, see here, this is the big box, and what is the shape of this box? See, it's a long, it's a bit short than this one, so we call it as a rectangle. And if there are 6 rectangles, one, I will write the name for you, okay? Please see here, I will write the name for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is any number is repeated over here? Any place is left? No one place is left, right? If there are 6 rectangles attaching with each other, see, like this way, then we call it as a cuboid. Very good. Please see your carton boxes at your home also, okay? Not small one, bigger one. Okay, they are in cuboid in shapes. Now next, same like this one. Have you played Ludo? Yes. Okay, there is something which we move time and again. What is that? It's a dice. Wow. Okay, that dice, we call it cube. All the fishes are in square in shape, so we call it as cube. So if you play a ball, then that ball is a sphere in shape, okay? Then after what we missed? Nothing we have missed, all one completed. Now last one, I want to show you something. See here, in this rectangle, have you noticed this corner side? Okay, see here, okay? This corner side, we call it as a angle, which I have drawn here black. See? This one. See, these are the angles. These 4 corners we call as a angle. And this straight line, have you seen this line? This line and this line, straight line, this one, this line. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called sides. What we call? It's a sides. Very good. Now, angle finished, side finished, then what is left? Corner also finished. Now, can you mention how many points are there? Corner point. Okay, or from here I can show. Same point inside these, there form and two straight line. In the middle of 2 straight lines, something is formed, right? Or sides is formed. That inner side we call it as angle, and the point corner. How many points are there? Dot points are there. Can you notice? 1, 2, 3, 4. These points are known as vertices. It's 4, then vertices. It's 2. It's 1, then we call it vertex. Okay, this is this one is the review of today one class. So I hope you understand this one all. Okay, we will do this angle one things in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.